Want to know why some people break and others break through? Because they have something you can't buy: enthusiasm. It's not just emotion, it's the fuel behind every great victory. And today, you'll learn how to ignite it at full power. Enthusiasm begins with a burning desire. There's no fire without fuel, and the fuel of enthusiasm is a desire that won't let you sleep. Not a would be nice to have, but a I can't not do this. That's when your dream becomes a necessity, not an option. People often think enthusiasm is just a mood. No, it's a state you enter when every cell of your being screams, "This is mine." When Elon Musk launched his first rockets, the first three exploded. He was nearly out of money, but he said, "I'm prepared to fail, but I won't quit." That's enthusiasm, born from burning desire. Ask yourself, what do I want so badly I'd suffer for it, fall for it, rise again, and keep going? Write it down. One thing, the most important. Repeat it every day, loud, with power, like a command. Visualize the result, in color, in detail, until you feel chills. Because once the desire burns, imagination ignites. Imagination fuels energy. Energy leads to action. You stop begging for chances. You go out and take them. Your fire takes many forms. In some, it's a torch. In others, a volcano inside. There are two types of enthusiasm. Active, you light up the room. Passive, you move forward with silent power.
Example 1. Henry Ford. He didn't smile for the crowd, he didn't give fiery speeches, but his vision, his belief, his silence changed the world. When asked how he overcomes challenges, he said, "I start with what I can do. The impossible slowly disappears." Example 2. Steve Jobs. The opposite. His energy moved crowds. His hands, his voice, his charisma could sell the impossible because his inner flame set others on fire. Practice. Look in the mirror. Are you an active or passive enthusiast? Both are right, if the fire is real. Pick your style. If active, work on authenticity. Don't perform, embody truth. If passive, build inner strength. Let quiet energy shake the ground. Found your fire. It's not about volume, it's about movement. Whether you whisper or roar, just keep moving. Your voice isn't just sound, it's energy. Every word you say either awakens or numbs. You can say ordinary things, but said with conviction, they sound like prophecy. Words are tools. Your voice is the hammer. Example, Napoleon Hill. He didn't have perfect diction, but when he spoke, people held their breath. A student once asked if he took public speaking classes. He said, "No, I just believe in what I say." That's the best voice training there is. Practice. Train your voice daily. Speak your goals out loud, not flat like a messiah.
Read powerful texts with feeling, power, emotion.
Number 2, learn to control your emotional tone. From silence to eruption, from calm to passion, from flat to soul-shaking resonance. Number 3, align to speak, aim to transmit. Every sound should carry your belief. You're not just talking, you're creating a state. Number 4, aiming a world full of talkers. Only the believers move hearts. Number 5, our voice is your signature. Enthusiasm in it is your superpower. Enthusiasm is a weapon against suffering. Life's not always sunny. Sometimes it hits you with a shovel. Betrayal, loss, death, fear. Most people break here, collapse, quit. But some burn even brighter. They understand. Enthusiasm isn't just for joy. It's your fire in the dark. Example, Napoleon Hill on his father's death. When Hill learned his father died, he thanked the caller, then returned to his guests. Kept working. "I couldn't change it," he said, "but I could choose how to respond." That's not coldness, it's control. It's choosing strength when the world expects you to break. Example 2. Your own story. Remember your darkest moment, the pain that almost broke you? But you're here. You're breathing. You're moving. Something burned in you even then. That was your will to survive. Practice number 1. To earn pain into action.
When it hurts, create something meaningful. Don't shut down. Speak, move, build. 2. Forward not on what you lost, but what you want more than the pain. Ask, what do I want so badly that even pain won't stop me? 3. Please pain as a story of strength. Turn, why did this happen to me, into, what was it for? 4. Because enthusiasm isn't about ease. It's the flame that doesn't die in storms. 5. Everyone burns when life is good, but true leaders burn when the world is cold. Enthusiasm is contagious fire. Imagine a fire inside you, so bright it lights not just your path, but others. This isn't a show. It's a state of being that needs no explanation. Example, the power of conviction. 2 salespeople, same product. One just says, here it is, take it or leave it. The other, same words, but fire in the eyes, belief in the voice. You buy, not the item, the energy. Example 2, leaders who burn. Martin Luther King had no army, but his fire moved millions because true enthusiasm doesn't scream, it shines. Practice. 1. When you meet someone, light them up. Carry the mindset, my energy is a gift to the world. 2. Psych to leave resonance. Not I said something, but I transferred power. 3. Visors meant every day with ignition. A ritual, a prayer, a song, a vision. Whatever lights you, do it. Because enthusiasm is a social virus. And if you carry it, you can lift teams, missions, nations. One person on fire can ignite a generation.
Final truth. Now you know how to ignite enthusiasm, how to embrace your style, how to speak with fire, how to transform pain into power, how to inspire others. But most importantly, your fire must burn every day, even when it's cold, even when it's dark, even when it hurts. Enthusiasm is not a mood, it's a way of life, the way of champions, the way of those who leave a mark.